I don't want any plastic, I don't want any ground floors, and I don't want to get married in Everett. You understand that? I want to do what I want to do.
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel where we move and improve. I am Serphine Olal if you're new here. Thank you very much for clicking into this video. Today's video will be a haul, a try-on haul. So I'll be doing 4 outfits. And in each outfit is a new thing that I'll be trying to pair up with things that I already have in my wardrobe, and some bit of story time in the middle and just catching up. So I hope you enjoy this video. Please make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, share and like. I'll be very grateful. So without further ado, let me start with the outfits. So I have a top, a new top, a trouser, a skirt and a dress. So all these new things, I'll be trying to pair them up with things that I already have in my wardrobe to see how it looks basically. And today's jewelry and accessories are from Needlecraft, our store, our small business. So please go support. I'll be grateful as well. So let me start with I think I'll start with the dress because it doesn't need a lot to pair it with, just shoes I guess. So let me show you how the dress looks like. So this is what the dress looks like. It really has thick fabric, so I guess it's good for when it's a bit cold. So let me put this on so that you see what it looks like. So this is what the dress looks like. It has some sort of embroidery, is that what it's called, like wool. The neck, this neck area is woolen plus the arm area, and this is the total, like that is the height. So this one, like, you can decide to wear it casually or officially depending on your style. So if you decide to wear it casually, you can just do normal rubber shoes and it's a casual look. Like this is an going out with your friends, just something casual. And then you can't see my feet, let me show you. So if you decide to pair it like this is a casual look. Then I feel like it can also be official if you wear it with a pair of nice heels, because it's a bit short, maybe with stockings. That is how it would work for like an office setup. So so the next outfit is a wrap skirt. I thought, like, this is always my thought process whenever I'm about to buy something, because I always convince myself, I tell myself I have enough clothes, but to girls clothes are never enough. So these are thrifted clothes, by the way, from Think Twice. Where I stay, Think Twice is very close to where I stay. So anytime I go out and I see there's maybe an offer, things are like cheap, I just go, like, I tell myself, let me just go check, I'm not buying anything. Then I saw this wrap skirt and I was like, it has potential. When you see it, you'll feel like it's not a vibe, but trust me, I'll show you what I'll do with it. So let me put the camera nicely so that you see it, because it's very long. It's pretty long, and I feel like in case I want it to do more, I can actually adjust it to be whatever I want it to be, because this is what it looks like. It actually wraps around kabisa, but I can decide to just cut out this place and then make it so that it seems like it has what is this called, a thigh slit, something like that. I can just adjust this place and this place so that it looks like this, and then this is what it will be serving. I feel like it is a vibe, and you can just wear it with rubber shoes, you can decide to wear it with sandals, any look is actually good. And then personally, like, I'd add just something on top to make the outfit interesting. So this is a cropped denim. This is what it looks like. So this and my white and black rubber shoes and a nice bag. It's just an outfit that's giving basically. And this, what is this? This skirt was 25 bob. You know how Think Twice always works. That last day on Friday when they're clearing stock, things are normally like at a throwaway price, so everything is always 25 bob. And so this skirt and the next trouser, the trouser I want to try, were actually 25 bob. So that's why sometimes I convince myself that I need these things. But anyways, what happens is, for me, like, I give out my clothes a lot, like so much, so it's not a loss. Someone always benefits from like me having extras. So if something has been in my wardrobe and it hasn't been worn for more than 6 months, I give it out because I clearly don't need it, unless it's something that is worn like, but like seasonally, like unless ni vitu kama trench coat, then it would be understandable if it hasn't been worn for 6 months because maybe it's been hot and I haven't been needing to wear it. But the rest, after 6 months, like I have a lot of people to like, I give like hand-me-downs and just whatever. So I have a lot of clothes, but I always give them out. So let me try the trouser and style it so that you see how it would look. So I've worn the next trouser. The next trouser is giving side pocket vibes, basically like those trousers from back in the day. And when I saw this on the shelf, I was like, Serphine, you don't have a white trouser. It's just 25 bob, and that's how I always convince myself to buy. I don't know if I'm a hoarder, like I don't get it, but I just love clothes. So it is very, very long. I don't know, the owner of this trouser was a very tall person, or I don't know how it was worn like this, because it is extra long, but that's no problem. That is something we can easily fix. And then I'm not sure whether it's supposed to be worn as a low cut the way I'm wearing it, or like as a high waist, because if it's like this as a high waist, then I need to adjust the waist because it's a bit big. Because I don't know, because I always see on Pinterest there are those trousers that are normally worn from down here and they're just baggish like this. And then let me wear it with this shirt. This was actually a very, very big shirt that I actually cut yesterday to make it a crop shirt. This is the rest of it. I'll see what to do with this. I can make like some sort of top, so that I'll be pairing them up with this, so they'll be like twins. Let me show you my face. So, oh, 1 minute. So, what do you guys think? What do you think? If this is what it's giving, so should it be worn as a low cut or a high waist? So I don't know, I feel like it's giving though. It's a look. Let me see whether I can just button this, whether it can just be worn with this crop shirt, just like that. I feel like this is also a vibe. So I can still wear it with this like that. I normally just this area so that it's not too long. Not bad for a 25 bob like trouser. It's fantastic. It's perfect. Me, I love it. Kenyans with me, but it's nice. It is nice. So let me show you the last outfit, which is basically just a top. I'll be pairing it with some palazzo pants that I've actually never worn. They're basically also new, so I think the entire outfit will be new, though the pants I bought them like kitambo kidogo, like a month ago, but I've never actually worn it. So let me put on the last outfit so that you guys see. Yes, so this is our last outfit. This beautiful, you can't see the texture, but it has this long collars, and then this what do we call this, a ribbon that you tie like around your neck, and it looks like, it's just so cute. I always like bows and things like this, so cute. So I'm pairing them up with this palazzo pants, and then I feel like this is a work look. Like, this is the look I'm going with in my next interview, and if they don't take me for that job, they have no sense. I'm mean. They're just mean, because I feel like the look is giving. If you pair it up like with nice shoes and a pretty boss bag, giving, it's giving. So I'm done with today's haul. I just wanted to show you every outfit. Like, if you guys comment down. So we're done with our outfits. Tell me which one is your favorite. Tell me whether you can rock any of these looks. Give me tips if you feel like I can do better in terms of styling them, and I'll be very grateful. So I also wanted to just catch up with you guys kidogo and just ask, like, it's the 6th month of the year, and I wonder whether you guys are feeling pressure like I'm feeling. Today is 2nd. Today the 2nd of June, and I was just going through my, you know how you always write your New Year's resolution and the things you want to achieve by the end of the year. So I was going through everything and just evaluating how my life has been and the things that I've done to achieve, like the moves that I've been making to make sure that I achieve like most of those goals, if not all. And I ticked like 4 out of 12. And I was like I really have a lot of work to do, especially since we are just getting older and older. Like, I just feel like time is just flying. Like, is it just me, or can you guys also relate? Because ni kugumu. But anyway, I was proud to tick some of those things. I don't know if it was 4, it was more than that. I'm not sure whether I should confirm for you guys. Let me just check how many things I ticked. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Not even out of 12, out of 16. And these things, anyway, at least there are major things that I really wanted to do. Like, I've ticked starting YouTube, though I feel like I don't have the right words, but if you have advices, if you have suggestions for videos you feel like I can do well, videos you feel like I should do more, please try, like, comment down below so that I do this thing, so that we see how we'll grow going forward. And I also started working out in the beginning, like at the beginning of this week, and let me tell you, my body is I haven't worked out since 2020. And then I also, like I've told you before, that I gained like a lot of weight. I used to weigh, like, all my life I've never gone past 58 kgs, and 58 kgs was back in high school. When I was finishing my form 4, I was 58. Then I dropped all the way to 53. So all throughout campus I was between 53 and 57. And then after campus now, 2020, just are going onwards up until this year. Last year there was a time I was 70 kgs. So I might not seem like I'm big, but I'm actually a bit heavy for what my body has been used to. For someone who's been used to being like 58 at most, 58 kgs, and then you add weight mpaka ufike like 70, it's a lot if you look at it from that end. Because most people, when I say like I've gained weight, they're like, hey, you're okay, you look fine. But maybe it's because they're used to 70, and then now if they get to 100, now they feel like that's big. But to be 70 is big. So like my major goal is to work on my tummy, because like the weight came with a tummy. Work on my tummy, just reduce that, and like make sure my BMI, like is it called BMI? Body, I don't know, like make sure like I'm not underweight and I'm not overweight. I'm just niko pazuri basically. So those are the things that I'm working on. And my business, oh my god, if I start talking about that, it's not been easy, because you create something you love, you feel like it looks nice, you feel like this thing that like people will, what's the word, like people will, I don't know, it's not relate to your product, but actually love. But to be honest, people actually love them. But I don't know if it's our economy which is like bad, or what is happening, because hey. But anyways, it's just been a week since I started posting. Please make sure you follow Needlecraft on Instagram and all platforms basically. I'm on Instagram, Facebook, I'm on TikTok as well, and I'm trying to post on all these platforms. And man, has it been hell. Like it's been, you feel like you need to create something that is a bit unique, like something that is, and yet these content creators normally have a hard time. It's not easy, like posting on all those social media platforms, trying to keep up with everything. It's just not a walk in the park basically. So you guys tell me whether like you feel like also like time is catching up with you guys. Do you feel like the year has moved a bit quicker than we expected? But I'm glad I'm working on most of the things that I haven't sticked yet. Like if you guys don't review, you don't do a media review of your year's like nini goals, please start doing them, so that you see areas you're slacking on and things you need to improve on. So Mimi, I have I was writing down everything today. I was just writing down everything I want to do, like the things that are major now, the things that I need to accomplish before year end, because like, so that like at the end of the year you feel like you did something with, you know. Anyway, thank you very much for watching this video. Please consider subscribing, share, like and comment, so that we help our page grow, and I'll be grateful. Thank you very much. Up until next time, ciao.